I'm in my bathroom. The sound effects. Can you hear it? You were howling a minute ago. Oh, God. Where am I? It was howling a minute ago. Typical. Typical. It was making a heck of a racket. Here we go. I hope that comes through. I'm wasting my time here. Got my window open. It's turned out nice this afternoon. Oh, look at that dodgy cloud up there. Sun. Look at, oh, Jesus Christ, look at that. The sun is over there. And it's about, I haven't got a clue what time it is. Is it 4 o'clock yet? Oh my God, look. The sun is so low in the sky. It's only 4 o'clock, I think. 3, I think. Oh, Jesus. Isn't the sun lovely? Oh my God, I can hardly see anything. Oh my God, my eyes. Once I could see, and now I got 2 orange balls on my retinas. Right, that's enough of this shit. Twitter length. Hang on, which way I am? Oh my God, I confused myself here. Right, Twitter length. What's new? Confused myself.